In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your DT Spyder in just a few easy steps. The first step in setting up your DT Spyder is to extend all 4 legs. You extend all 4 legs by pulling out the pin from each leg and swinging it out until it locks back into place. The next step in setting up your DT Spyder is to elevate the target spine. In order to do so, you must pull out the cotter pin in the middle and set your desired lean angle. The DT Spyder comes with 2 different lean angles, a 6-degree lean for handgun rounds and an 18-degree lean for rifle rounds. Once you have your desired lean angle, the next step is to pull the latch in the back to then extend the rest of the spine. A very important precaution that we ask everyone to take is to please watch your hands and fingers when extending the spine. Here at the hinges and the latches, you are very vulnerable to being pinched, so we ask that you please be careful and watch your hands and fingers. To fully extend the spine of the target, all you have to do is lift the rest of the spine until it locks into place. Now that we got the target spine fully locked out and ready to go, we can then add our paddles. With your DT Spyder, you should have 6 550 ballistic rated steel paddles. However, you do have the option to additional 6 paddles that are 22 caliber rated. Once you have your paddles in, you're all ready to go and it's time to start shooting. When you're all done shooting, closing up the DT Spyder is just as easy as setting up. First step to taking down your DT Spyder is to take out the paddles. Once you have your paddles taken out, the next step is to fold down the target spine. To do so, you want to find the very top hinge point, and in the back, there is a latch where you can pull up, and then you can collapse the top of the spine. Like we had mentioned earlier, please watch your hands and fingers as these are very vulnerable pinch points. Next, find the second hinge of the spine, and in the back, lift the latch up and fold down. Once you got both hinges folded down, the next step is to lift the handle in the back of the Spyder and lock the spine back into place. Once you got the spine locked in, the next step is to pull the cotter pin out and lay down the spine. Once you got the target spine laid down, the next step is to insert your cotter pin back into its original hole. The next and final step is to close the legs. On each leg, there's a pull pin that you pull that you can then swing and return the leg back to its closed position. At this point, the DT Spyder is now fully collapsed and ready to store. If you have any more questions or concerns regarding the DT Spyder, feel free to call us at 520-396-3335.